Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a user interface with Figma, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Figma and create a new design file. Design your user interface by using the various tools available in Figma. Use frames to organize different sections of your design. Incorporate components such as buttons, inputs, and icons to enhance usability. Apply styles for color, typography, and spacing to ensure a cohesive look. Once your design is complete, select the frames you want to export. Click on the Export section in the right sidebar. Choose the desired file format, such as PNG or SVG. Click the Export button to save the assets to your computer. Next, open your web development environment or code editor. Create an HTML file for your user interface. Link to the Figma assets you exported by including them in your project folder. Write your HTML structure using appropriate tags for each element. Reference the exported images or icons in your HTML code. Style your user interface using CSS to match the design from Figma. Test your interface in a web browser to ensure it displays correctly. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing. Once satisfied, prepare your files for deployment. Choose a suitable hosting platform for your web application. Upload your HTML, CSS, and asset files to the hosting service. Ensure that all links are functioning correctly after deployment. Finally, visit your live site to confirm that the user interface is working as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.